All right, we find ourselves back in snow paradise. It's come time to move all this snow over that way and free up the shop a little bit more, and look what's right in the way, the old green bean. Seeing that it's absolutely buried in a snowbank right now, what better thing to do than fire it up and try and drive it out. And being the smart person I am, I didn't put the tire chains on it when I parked it here, so this is gonna be a good time. Yeah, I think she'll fire up and drive out. Just do a little bit of shoveling and assist it a little bit, but it's a Ford Highboy, she'll do it. So we'll get started by cleaning the snow off of it and make a little path for it to drive out through. Then I'll get all this snow moved. So how much snow is in the forecast? All of it. Hey, there's a truck in there. Who would have thought? We might as well do this like our Canadian allies and cold start it while it's still in the snowbank. $1 million hood prop. Ah yes, all the things that are good. We'll get a electrical maker and get out of the way. Fine. How you like that? Snow. And we'll just pop this off here for persuasion is what you can call it. Well, you're gonna want to hit your head on that. It's actually famous on a bump side. And we'll check this because we're responsible. Looks like it's got plenty, probably over full, but it drips off of the stick, so we're good on starting it. More snow. Gee, seems to be a trend around here, but I don't think this leaked out. Nope. All right, I'll grab a device to fill that space and some persuasion fluid, and we will see what happens. All right, before we get going here, we got to clean out the exhaust pipe. We got to hear all the bald eagles. There she is. Get the snow out of it. All right, now remember, in order to do this correctly, you have to use the peanut butter jar lid with peanut butter still in it for priming. Close that a little bit. Well, she's trying. Let it sit a minute. Nice weather we're having. Alright, needs more peanut butter jar lid. Alright, more prime. We'll try no choke now. Maybe I can warm my hands up off the starter now. Well, I hear something sizzling. We must be getting somewhere. Yeah, ground cable's hot. That's good. All right, let's see if we can make her laugh with the funny spray. All right. We're not giving up yet. Probably doesn't even have any gas in it. Do we have fire? No, we do not. Maybe we got the snow out of the pipe now. A little bit of air. Oh. I know what the problem is. We didn't lock the hubs in. Should I read the warnings? Nope. Precision. Oh, she liked that. Oh. the vroom vroom device going. Oh man, I lost the wing nut. You don't need those anyway. Back to shoveling while she warms up. Alright, that should be enough. We'll leave the snow on the frame for weight and traction assist. Shut the hood and see if we can't hot rod this thing out of here, or Pearl Harbor another transfer case. Either way, it'll be a good time. Oh yeah, I knew she'd do it. Take her for a little spin. Oh, that's neutral. There we go. I don't think we're doing any snow bombing this year. Brakes still work. Oh well. Kind of feels like I have a flat tire, or they're just really flat from the cold, because they feel square at the moment. And it helps with lubrication, sloshes the oil around better. I wonder if I can turn around here. Guess we're gonna find out. Yeah, I couldn't turn around, so we're doing the alternative. What a nice day for a joyride. Oh, this is good. Got the plow truck warming up, so now I can move all this out of the way. Get it away from the building. There's kind of a low spot right there, so come springtime when everything melts, it turns into a huge pond, but at least it'll be away from the shop. That was quite the Snowbank cold start adventure, so hope you guys enjoyed. Bet you didn't have faith that she'd fire up, but she always does. Anyways, appreciate everybody watching and hope you enjoyed. Until the next one, see you guys later.